Today we left Zipolite and made our way to Barra de la Cruz. First we took the colectivo to get to the main road. When we arrived in San Pedro Uxutla, we were searching for our bus to Huatulco. We were lucky. When we arrived, was the bus almost ready to leave. The bus drivers know the streets very good, but it scares me when they drive so fast. On the way we saw a beautiful landscape. The hills covered with this beautiful green looked so amazing. I'm sorry, you don't get this on the video. After like 20 minutes we arrived at the bus station in Huatulco. There we wanted to continue with another bus till we realized that we have to take a colectivo. When the colectivo was full, we were on our last stage. We asked the driver to bring us to the closest accommodation to the ocean. Wir müssen jetzt nur noch eine Unterkunft finden. Irgendwie der Strand ist wohl 1,5 Kilometer in die Richtung. Es gibt keine Unterkünfte direkt am Strand. Es gibt so Motorräder, die da hinfahren. Aber wir müssen jetzt trotzdem erstmal eine Unterkunft finden. So, wir sind da. Haben das jetzt hier. After we stored the luggage, we went to the beach. Bananenplantage. So, we're now walking and now some seconds we will see the spot. Okay, we don't see. Wow. There are many people in the water, I think.
What about the waves?
They look crazy good.
Really?
Yeah. In the next video I will show you one of the most beautiful places on earth. If you don't want to miss this video, subscribe to the channel.